All right. What's going on, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. We are live this Wednesday night. It is 8 p.m. and it's an impromptu live. Want to give you guys a wave update. It's going to be a very quick one. It's not going to be a 2-hour analysis. Just going to give you a quick wave update. I will refer you to our previous live. Where it says expecting a dump then a pump, and we got the dump and the pump, guys. Hopefully that live helped you guys. Now what are we expecting, guys? Well, I'm expecting another dump here coming pretty soon. I got two options on the table, best I can tell, so I'm going to show you what I'm seeing, but I think we're going down. Going to make a lower low on this correction. But I'll show you why I'm seeing that, what I'm seeing, and we'll look at the market here very, very quickly. Don't forget, I am an Elliott wave trader. That means what I do is I look at wave structure, I analyze wave structure, I look at the 5s and 3s and the patterns on the chart, and I make predictions about where price might be heading based on the current price action. If price action changes, then predictions change, and we alter those as more information comes in. However, we're going to look at the chart now. I'm going to show you what I'm projecting based on what I see now, and the large time frame is going to be pretty accurate. Smaller time frame analysis that I give you is going to be a little less accurate because things happen differently than you'd expect. But all I can give is ideas. So, with that said, I'm here to show you an Elliott wave perspective on the market, but I'm not here to give you financial advice or trading advice. This is just I'm going to show you what I'm seeing, and if it helps you and you're trading, great. If you want help on a regular basis and you want day-to-day, hour-by-hour updates as needed in the market, then that's what the Discord is for. It's a paid Discord. What you do is you just become a Patreon supporter. There's a link in the description. You become a supporter. There's 3 different tiers of Patreon support. Depending on the tier, that gives you different access to the different aspects of the Discord. There's so much value in the first tier. The second tier, we add a lot more value with wave setups and play-by-plays on the waves, with that said. And then if you want mentorship, you want to learn how to trade alongside me one-on-one, then we have that as well. All right, with all that said, let's jump into the charts, guys. Again, welcome everybody. What's up, Max and Rob Livington? What's up? Or living the dream, I should say, not Livington. I dominated the air in my chips bag. You've been here a while. What's up, man? How's it going? Big John, hey, Proto Man. Johnny English, hey. And Ryan, what's up, man? Good to see you. I know it's late where you are. Let's see. After all the H-bar requests, I absolutely smashed the all-time high, and now it's in price discovery. Nice. Congratulations. All right, guys, let's jump into the analysis. Let me show you what I'm looking at. All right, so this is a line chart. It's not a candlestick chart. It's a line chart. I've been using that lately to get some clarity on the chart. Got a really nice wave action here. You can see this is from our top. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. You can understand where we are. There we go. So it becomes really clear that we had some kind of a. I should put it a different place there. Some kind of an A, B, and an extended C wave. I think that C wave is finished. I think it's done. I think it's kaput. I think it's finished. And now we're getting an ABC to the downside. Okay? This is a 3-wave move to the downside. There's lots of hidden bearish divergence on this particular chart. You can see how prices come up, almost overtaking this wave. Not quite, but it's not even come close to overtaking price. So the RSI is overtaking this, but it is not overtaking price. That is hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart. That's point number 1. I'm looking for a move somewhere like this. Once this B wave is finished, we'll do a little small time frame analysis in just a moment, and I'll tell you where I think the B wave might finish, and I'll look at that small time frame. I am not taking any requests tonight, guys. We're going to look at just a handful of charts at my choosing. So no requests tonight. I'm just going to give you a wave update. Okay, we're going to make this one a quick one. Okay, so now once that's the big picture, guys. We're basically looking at least for 3 waves down. I want you to understand, though, the very bearish picture is we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could go 5 waves down. Now, I don't think that's going to happen. I think more likely we get a 3-wave move to the downside. It won't be that simple as I've drawn it, but nevertheless, I think we get a 3-wave down. Now, what happens after that? We've got time to talk about. Let's cross that bridge when it's time to think about that. But right now we're focused on the top of this wave and then the directional bias of where this wave is going, the C wave. Okay, so let's zoom in now. We're going to go to the 30-minute chart and look a little bit more carefully at this wave. Now you can see off the top here we have an impulse wave. I'm counting this. The 1, 2 is up here. Okay, that's 3, that's 4, and we got a 5th wave. I've simplified my count with the line chart, guys, and then basically looking at this as an A, B, and a C expanded flat correction. Okay, once this thing is finished, and then we're looking for another down wave, another move to the downside. That's the way I'm looking at it. Okay, let's get a couple targets. One way we can get a target is pulling a retrace of the entire wave. Okay, so we'll pull a retrace, and the 618 retrace is 49,560. Okay, right around $5,000, $50,000. So that's a potential target. Now I'm not saying it is the target, but you see this order block right over there. Tops of these waves, bottom of those waves, nice structure right there. So that's a potential. Okay, so we make our way up to close to 50K. That looks pretty decent. Where else? How else can we get our target? Well, let's pull the fibs on this flat and see what that's looking like. See if there's any confluence. I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart and pull those fibs. Right there. So right there. To right there. Now we're already hitting the 2618, the 2618. The 3618 is confluent with that. That's pretty extended. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. We're already, like I said, we're already hitting the 2618. It's a pretty decent. But the 3618 is confluent right there with the golden zone there. Okay. Okay. Now let's pull the fibs one more way here. Yeah, I don't know if I want to pull the fibs that way. Let's pull the fibs on the candlestick chart and see what that does. Yeah, the 2618 that puts us up here. The 2618 way up here. So I kind of like that actually. I kind of like that's pretty confluent there. Let's pull the retrace here of that wave to that wave. Perfect. 2618 is confluent to 618. I like 49.6, 49.6, 49.5, 49.5 to 49.6. I like that ballpark. So that's the area I'm watching. We'll see if it comes up there. I'm not certain it'll come up there, but it certainly could. Let me show you now what I'm expecting. I'm looking for 5 waves in C. Looking for 5 waves in C. So I'm counting this like this. 1, 2, 3. I think we're getting the 4th wave now. It might be a shallow 4, or it could get more. It could get a lot more complex than this, and then get up here for the 5th wave. Okay, so looking for a 5th wave to get on up here. Now I don't know. Like I said, the 4th wave. We're in the process of making the 4th wave. Lots of shenanigans happen around the 4th wave, but nevertheless. That's where we are. Now let's zoom in now. So what we're doing is we're working our way from the macro to the micro, and we're just trying to find a trade entry here, looking for a short. That's what I'm looking for. Personally, I'm looking for a short to the downside for a C wave. And if we get it, it's going to be an epic trade. So let's see if we get it. Now I've got a bull count that says, yeah, actually all we get is 3 waves down, and then we go up. But either way, the next trade, once this 5-wave move is done, once that 5-wave move is done, then we go down for a wave. So it behooves me, maybe not you, but me, to go ahead and be long, to go ahead and think about being long short short from this area up here. So let's zoom in on this wave and see what's happening. Okay, so we're going to go down to the 3-minute chart, and we're just going to look at this wave and say, okay, what is that? This looks like a 4th wave to me. Okay, looks like a 4th wave. Does it look finished? Maybe. Looks like we're in the 4th of the 5th right now. So here's the way I'm counting this wave. I got 3 waves down right there. Okay. I got a WXY right there. And now we've hit the 1-to-1. Okay, we've hit the 1-to-1 extension. But I don't think we're finished. I think we have another hit to the low. Looking at this small time frame, 1 minute chart. The 1-2, I'm not even seeing a 1-2, but the 1-2 is actually, yeah, I do see a 1-2 right there. Got to go to the 30-second chart to find it. Actually, 15-second chart to find it. There it is. Oh, so tiny. But that's what I'm going to call a 1-2. I'm going to say the 1-2 is right there. Okay, this is 3. We got a flat 4, and now we're making a 5. I'm going to go back to the 5 minute here. There we go. So I'm looking for the 5th wave to get down here. Okay, I pulled the fibs here on the first move up to the second move. We're hitting the 1-to-1. I would like to see price get down here to the I'd like to see it get down here to the 1-4-1-4 or to the 1-2-7. So I'd like to see price to come on down. Whether it does or not is another story. Let me go to the 30-second chart. Look at this. Look at that. Looks like a flat right there. Looks about finished. Boom. Boom. Perfect flat right there. That's good looking. Perfect looking flat right there. So I like that for a 4th wave. It wicked into the 1. Actually, no, that's not the 1. The 1-2 is right. Man, this is a tricky wave, guys. Tricky wave. Nice hidden bearish divergence here on this wave. Boom. I'm short down to this region, hopefully. Hopefully we get one more hit to the low. That's what I'm looking for. One more hit. And that'll be the 5th wave of the 5th wave. 1-2 up here somewhere. 3, 4, and then the 5th wave. Once that finishes, guys, this could get more complex. In other words, we could get a 3-wave back up, and then we get another 3-wave down. It could get complex, or it could simply begin making its way up. It could simply be making its way up to a higher high to get that 5th wave in. Okay. Looking great. See if this finishes here. Or is this done down here? Yeah, and that's a possibility here. The 5th wave could be finished right there. And this is wave 1 to the upside. I don't think so, but maybe. Maybe. So this could be a finished ABC. A, B, C. So one more hit to the low. I think that's what we're going to get. And then after that, then we go up for at least 3 waves or 5 waves to the upside. That's your small time frame analysis, guys. That's the part that is, I'm not super certain about, but I see more downside, I believe. Once that downside is finished, I think up for a 5th wave, or it gets complex and does that and gets down here to this region. So anyway, 4th wave. That's what happens in 4th waves. It gets weird and complex. Okay, excellent. Let's look at what's up, AOL? How's it going? Hey Cole, what's up? Yeah, fourth wave until it's not. That's right. We say that all the time, don't we? All right, let's look at Ethereum. Same thing, guys. Same thing. The line chart is beautiful. You got a 1, 2 up here, 3, 4, 5. It's beautiful, guys. Just gives you a beautiful Elliott wave right there. Perfect shape. It looks great. Then we have a nice 3-wave flat that's coming back. We got a 3, 3, and a 5. So it's looking really good. The question is this thing finished? And I'm here to say, yeah, maybe, maybe not, right? But I think it's got more upside to go. Let's look in the smaller time frame, see if we can get a count for C. C needs 5 waves. C needs 5 waves. Let's see if we can count 5 waves. We got 1, 2. See, this is really tough here. See, I think all this is part of 3. I think we're going to get the 4th wave and then the 5th. So I think the 4th is yet to play on Ethereum. The 4th wave is yet to play. BTC keeps pumping, doesn't it? There it goes. Come on. Give me a lower low. A lower low. A lower low. But the 1 and the 4 have overlapped, so that's a really deep 4 if that's a 4. So I'd have to recount that guy. What if this is the bottom of 3 and this is 4? That's a tough count, though. That's a tough count. Still have hidden bear on this chart. I'm gonna say it's gonna still come down. We'll see. We'll see. Back to Ethereum. So yeah, I think we need to make the 4th. I don't think the 4th is in. I think the 4th needs to be made. So still watching the 4th to come on down. Let's look on the candlestick chart. Actually, let's just look on the 3-minute. Let's go to candlesticks. $15-minute. Yeah, it's kind of rolling over here. 5-minute chart. This looks like a flat here. Okay, I like this. So I like this as a potential flat right there. Beautiful. So we could have a B wave right here. So right there, once this finishes, it'll come up there and finish. This could be a W. That could be an X. Maybe we get a Y wave. Okay. It looks pretty decent. That's plausible in a small time frame. Question is, what is that wave? What is that wave? It could be the first wave, a wave A of a larger, more complex 4th wave. It could be all the 4th wave that you get. It's 3 waves down, boom, done. Comes down here, and then once that's finished, we go up tonight for our 5th wave. Oops, sorry. I have a feeling there's going to be some shenanigans up here for a day or so. So watch out for shenanigans to the upside. Probably a lot of shenanigans along these lines down here. That'd be my guess. We're going to get some shenanigan waves for sure. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's the way I'm thinking about the wave, guys. That's the way I'm thinking about Ethereum. That would kind of give us a 4th wave up here, and then a 5th. Okay, zooming out just a little bit, see the context. Get rid of some of these fibs here. The fibs kind of cloud. That's a classic Elliott wave chart there. Yeah, I kind of feel like this needs to get more complex than I've got it drawn. So probably this is just the A wave of a more complex wave. Shoot, this could start triangling out. In fact, that would probably be plausible. Boom. boom, boom. Fifth wave and then down. I like it. I like it. Let's see if we get a triangle in here, guys. That's possible. Totally, totally possible. It's totally shenana waves. I love it. All right, there we go, guys. So basically, looking for this ABC to finish. Once it's finished, guys, macro count, looking for more downside. So whenever this is finished, I tried to do a little wave analysis to see if we can, I'm just gonna have to track that wave as it plays. But looking at this as an A wave, that's a B wave, gonna get a C wave most likely. Okay. Remember, this could be a 1 wave, that could be a 2 wave, and we could get a 3rd wave. Now this is a microcosm fractal of the larger move. Okay, so if you want to understand the larger move, we can go to Bitcoin here and just look at the larger play, 8-hour chart. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, we got a flat right here. Boom. That's the A wave. That's the B wave. We're looking for the C wave. So chances are this is actually going to impulse on us. Give us a C wave. So be careful. We might have a dump here over the next week or so. That's a possible count. I got moon boy counts as well, but I'm not worried about the big picture right now. But that is a possible big picture. Let's focus on the big picture later on in the week. Once we get some clarification on the small time frame, what we're doing here, we want to make sure that what we're looking at right now is correct. So we're going to watch the waves here, and if it as long as it continues in the way we're looking at it, then we're looking good. So right now I'm looking for one more wave to the upside at least. Okay, so looking for one more wave to the upside on most of the charts. BTC, small time frame, looking for this fourth wave to complete here. I don't think it's complete. I think we got some more down to go. Once that fourth wave completes, and it may be a lot more complex, I think we're going up for another wave. That's my take. I'd like to see on the hourly chart, I'd like to see this thing get oversold with some divergence here. I'd like to see this thing get up like this. Boom. Oops, sorry. Let's try it like this. Boom, get up here, get some divergence right there. Boom, get up here, get some divergence. And then down we go. It'll also be hidden bear as well. So watching the targets, guys, 49.5, 49.6 for Bitcoin, Ethereum. What is a good target for that? 37.30 to 39. All the way to 39 is potential. Do we get that? I don't think so. But anyway. Hey Renz, I do just email me at my email here. What I like is if you could pay 3 months in advance, so I don't have to keep track of the payments. 3 months in advance. If you end up not wanting to stay the whole 3 months, I'll refund you. So yeah, that's the easiest way for me to do it, man. But otherwise, I do it through Patreon, because Patreon does all the billing for me. So yeah. But yeah, come on in. There's plenty of month left, guys. There's 2 weeks left in the month. You'll get your money's worth. Promise you. I promise. But you might want to wait till the last week of the month. I'll have a sale. The last week of the month, anybody that comes in for the last week, I'll let them, if you're first timers, I'll let you in and give you the first week for free. You'll have to pay for it, and then I'll refund October's payment. So anyway, that's the way I'll do that. So anyway, that'll be the last 7 days of the month. So you may want to wait for that, or just come on in, and you pay for a full month, but you only get half a month, because that's the way Patreon does it. But I'll make sure that you get your money's worth. Okay? I'll make sure you get your money's worth. Promise. All right, guys. That's my look there. I could look at ADA. 190. Well, we have over 250 people. Over 200 people. I have 100 and almost 90 paying Patreons. And then I have a bunch of free people. that are in there. Friends, family, people that have supported me for the years. Um, different reasons. So over 200 people in there. It's a great community. It's nobody is. We don't let haughty, proud, arrogant people in there. Lots of people learning Elliott Wave. Lots of different charts are being shared all the time. Ideas. It's just a great community. Good place to be a noob. If you're a noob, great place to be a noob. You can. It's a really nice environment. For new people to learn, as well as, and if you're a seasoned trader, and you just want to add Elliott Wave to your repertoire, I mean, it's a great place for that as well. Or if you just want to come in and just be part of an awesome trading group, it really is nice. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think that's all I want. I was going to look at XRP real fast, but I don't really have a bead on XRP. Here's my take on XRP primarily. Still looking for a dump here, but maybe a moonshot. I'm not so sure about this chart. We'll have to wait and see if this plays. I have another possible count of this as a 1-2-1-2 to the downside. Yeah, XRP is still a thing. Yes. So this may just sorry. This wave right here that I have here. I'm looking for this thing to finish. Once it's finished, then I'm looking for this wave to come on down. Now it may come down to here, or it could keep going. So I don't know. We'll have to play XRP as it progresses. So I'm not sure about XRP. And then ADA. ADA. Here's my take on ADA. It's pretty trashy here. Looking like I need one more wave to the high here. I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe one more wave to the high. Okay, and so we got a 3 down, we got a 3 up. That may need one more wave, and then we go down. And so that's the one wave that we're looking for Bitcoin. That's the one wave we're looking for Ethereum, and then we're going to work our way down. The other possibility is that ADA already finished. Come on, Jim. ADA might have already finished here. This is 1, and we're going to get in 2. So we just get a 3 wave up for a 2 wave, and then we continue down to the downside. And this could be a 1-2-1-2, just like XRP. XRP might also be a. This was. Come on. This was the 3 wave move back that finished. Now this is 1 and that's 2, and we're going to get another wave to the downside like that. So I'm kind of bearish right now. I'm more bearish. Yeah, I think H bar's done or about finished. This is take profit area. Just saying. Here's my H bar chart. There's my H bar chart right there. We might get a 3 wave move down like this, and then one more hit to the high. Can't guarantee that. It might already be finished, but looks like it needs 5 waves here. So it looks like it got 1, 2, 3. Gonna get 4 wherever it's finished. One more high. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. I wouldn't try to squeeze out any more than that, personally. And I don't know if you're gonna get that last high or not. We'll see. That's H bar real fast. All right, there's the analysis. I wanted to keep it quick and crisp and just clean. Just a quick video, guys. Hope that it was helpful to you. Thanks for stopping in, and hopefully everybody else that comes in afterwards will benefit from the analysis. Hope you guys have a great night. Again, looking for a 4th wave to finish, one more hit to the high, and then possibly a very large dump. So that's the way I'm looking at it for now. If things change, I'll make another video in the week. But you guys have a nice night. Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks, Chemo, for moderating for me. Appreciate it, buddy.